All right, it's a beautiful spring day. We've been making great progress on Compart with onboardings and with walkthroughs and feature improvements. Let's take a little break out here in the garden and let's have a fun reaction video with a little story. So this one, to tell a little story about a little story, this is when I first was starting to get into writing some poetry again, and then turning them into little raps and recording those and posting those on Instagram. This was the first, I think the first one in the original series that I put together. So I've now uploaded or updated the structure to more of the song lyrics. This is the original Instagram video, which you're welcome to check out and comment on and whatever else. Here's some interpretation of the theme that I was exploring with this. It was the tension between creative impulse and visible anxiety. The speaker has something to say but questions whether silent talent counts if no one hears it. The middle verses dissolve into surreal dream imagery, turtles, Afghan Batman, caravans through Sudan, as if the unconscious is processing the absurdity of wanting to matter in an endless scroll. The chorus keeps returning. How will they hear me if I never make a sound? The outro lands quietly, a little story told once, somewhere between silence and the scroll, with an emotional arc from creative urgency to visible anxiety to absurdist dreaming to looping uncertainty to quiet resolve. So I like this one. I think it holds up. Let's have a listen.
Let me tell you a little story. One time online, went on Instagram with the killer fucking rhyme. All done with my work, had to go berserk. About to eat some food, watch the tube or network. But what about this jam? What about this cam? What about this plan? I had to make a lot of fans. How they gonna find me if I spit it all silent? How they gonna mind bend if the talent is denied then? How they gonna hear me if I never make a sound? How they gonna feel me if these words don't come around? Sleep at night not feeling right, I wake with a startle. Where the fuck am I? Why was I a turtle? Weird man, just weird man, don't understand. Afghan Batman, caravan through Sudan. With the suntan brand, can't beat Flan, does it live in? Wasn't walking solo, he was feeding 20 women. Hidden under hijab, moving tandem. Metaphor could be, or maybe just random. How they gonna hear me if I never make a sound? How they gonna feel me if these words don't come around? These lyrics on repeat, looping in my head. You might not understand a single thing I said. Little story, one time told, in between the quiet and the scroll.
All right, good stuff. Yeah, I like especially the ridiculousness of like the dream images, and then I like how it's tied together with this idea, with this chorus of having something to say, but if we don't say it, guaranteed no one's ever going to hear it. And if we do say it, then we start to wonder how are people going to hear it? How is it going to stand out amidst the noise with so many other people saying things? Just interesting themes like that I explored through these poems that have now taken on this new life with the conductor of these AI soundscapes. All right, well, let me know what you thought of that one. And in other news, Compart meetups are going to start later this month, I think April 23rd. We'll start doing some Compart meetups, which would be like evening times where we have some dinner, some hangouts, questions and ideas around how to improve the Compart platform, ways to be using it, onboardings for people, with fun comp rewards and other things like that. So if you're not a part of Compart yet, check out that link as well and get involved. And then you can get, if you're on Compart, you'll get notifications. If you're on Compart and you have your location information sent out, because I don't want to blast the whole platform, I just want to hit up people who are in Nevada County for that right now. And then otherwise, you can go on to 246happenings.com or jacobgriscom.com. Join either of those lists and you'll get invites to events as well. All right, I think that's it for today. Talk to you soon.